Yeah, there's a lot of traffic. Let's vlog. Don't let the Mercedes Oh my god. Pulls up next to me with his girl. Really? Does he really want to do it?
Yo, this looks crazy out here.
Mercedes.
Oh, no, where'd he go? What happened?
Bro, what
happened? Good? What happened? You know what? He said no!
He got scared, bro. He just took off. That Mercedes took off.
What chase is that? We out here doing 100 on the big body.
Look, he's running away.
Nah, he wants to smoke, bro.
Oh my.
That's a cop.
No.
Out here getting some rolling shots. Then next thing you know, boy ass in a Mercedes is all up on my ass. Over here trying to catch a run real quick. We're right by the highway. I told him, come on, let's go. And then that was the result. He didn't want to do it. If you're with your girl, please don't pull up on me. If I'm in the vet and you're with your girl. Alright, y'all, we're back on the camera. I'm about to play you guys a little clip of a couple nights ago. I took the car to a little spot where it's completely dark, no lights, so you guys can see the flames that should be spitting when I do that little two-step thing. Now, it doesn't spit flames every single time I do it, but it shot like 2 flames, so I'm gonna play that clip right now. I don't know why, but when I blip the throttle a little bit, like I said, the car just does like a what the fuck, like a two-step. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know if it's in the tune. Hey, it's dope. and I want to see if the car shoots flames, or I want to get an outside shot of that. So I'm gonna set the tripod down right here. Like a bit, really?
Bro, like, yeah.
Holy
Bro, loud too, bro. Like, wow.
Yo, this car is insane, man. This car blows my mind, man. Yo, we gotta.
Like a gunshot, bro.
Some love on the vlog. I gotta put some E85 in. I want her to be ready for Saturday. There's a little cruise, Shelby cruise on Saturday, and I want to be able to have a full tank for that. I don't think I'm gonna be driving this car this week, just because I got the vet back. I have a little idea for the car too that I want to talk to you guys about. And I still gotta let both cars chop right here in the driveway. I was thinking about telling you guys this. I want to go dumps on this car, but it sounds so good. I mean, okay, deadass. I wanted to do dumps off the X-Pipe. See, I gotta put gas rumble. I really want to go dumps, like dumps off the X-Pipe. I know a lot of you are gonna say do the exhaust cutouts, but you know, I'm gonna do a lot of weight reduction on this car when I do the built motor and stuff like that. So I was thinking I just do, not a header dump, but just dumps off the off-road X-Pipe. So I'm gonna keep my headers, and then where the X-Pipe is at, you know, just cut it off right there and then just dump it. And yeah, I don't know. But it sounds so good with the Corsas. But then again, I want to put Corsa Extremes on the Corvette, and I can't have both cars with Corsa Extremes. So I wanted to change this car back to Borla Attacks, but I already had Borla Attacks, so I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna completely remove the exhaust and just let it be stupid loud, start the weight reduction. I mean, that was a cool start, but now it's warmed up a little bit. And these were 15 to 17 Mustang tips, so they're not for S197. You can see how they pop out a little bit. I mean, it doesn't look bad at all, but I kind of just want to have the no exhaust look. Maybe cut that out right there. It's looking to be a clean look. I don't know, man. This is going to be a race car. This is going to be a fast car. I know neither of my cars are dailies anymore, but this is going to be the race car right here. And I was thinking about just doing a straight dumped exhaust, so it can be as loud as the Vet, but I don't know. It just, that was on my mind. Comment down below, let me know. If not, I'm just gonna go back to Borla Attacks, or I'm just gonna completely remove the exhaust, because this is gonna be my race car. Literally, it takes like 15 to 20 to get a full tank in this car on the 85. But honestly, guys, I'm kind of tired of having tips in the car. I literally don't know what other exhaust will match this up. Like, all right. I put $20 in. I almost got a full tank. Maybe it was like 22, 23. But I was at 22 to E already. Now I'm at 108, 20 bucks, so almost damn near full. I mean, that's E85 for you. If I completely fill it up to the rim where it cannot take any more and it's just spitting that all out, it should be like 120 to E. I am not capping at all. Now, should I have put this car back on pump gas months ago? Yeah. But it's too freaking late now. Right after 2K, I plan on starting to build already. So, the only reason why I'm not dropping it off at Fabian's already to take the motor out so I can start everything is because 2K is coming up and I still need to do E85 on the Vet. And honestly, there's so much to do with this Shelby. Like, I want to stay on the stock blower for a little bit, a couple thousand miles, because I'm already knowing the build itself is going to be stupid expensive. So rather than build motor and upgraded blower, I am going to stay on the stock blower just for a little bit, because honestly, I have not ported it and I'm still on the stock blower. The car is making 818 full bolt-on cams E85. I'm still missing ported blower and ported heads. So if we port the heads, port the blower, add a lower pulley because I'm on 2.4 upper stock lower. If I add all those three things, I'm pretty sure we can shoot like high 900s, maybe even touch 1,000 wheel with that Lund sauce. So please don't tell me the scat was making noise at me. Guys, this guy doesn't even know what happened to Kid in the Mercedes. Alright, please don't. Alright. Not bad. Still hanging in there, boys. Still hanging in there.